In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect your Zoom account to Slack. This integration makes it really easy to start and manage Zoom meetings directly from your Slack workspace, so you don't have to keep switching between apps. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Slack on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop app or the web version in your browser, and that you're signed into the correct workspace where you want Zoom to be available. Once Slack is open, look for the main navigation area, usually on the left side. Here, find and click on the option labeled Admin. Depending on your permissions and layout, this might appear under a menu or in a sidebar, but you're looking for the section where admin tools and settings live. If you don't see it, it may mean you don't have admin rights, and you might need to ask a workspace admin to follow these steps for you. After clicking Admin, you'll see several management options. Go ahead and click on Apps and Workflows. This is where you manage all the apps connected to your Slack workspace and set up automations. Inside the Apps and Workflows section, look for a button or link labeled Browse. Click on Browse to open the Slack app directory for your workspace. This is essentially the marketplace where you can find and add new tools. Once the app directory opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type Zoom. Make sure you spell it correctly, then wait for the results to load. In the search results, locate the official Zoom app. It should clearly say Zoom and may have the familiar Zoom logo. Click on Zoom to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does, such as starting Zoom meetings from Slack and sharing meeting details in channels. On the Zoom app page, click the button that says Add to Slack. This will start the connection process between your Slack workspace and Zoom. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to sign into your Zoom account, authorize permissions, and confirm that you want to allow Slack to access Zoom. Carefully read each prompt and click Allow or Authorize where appropriate. Once you finish those prompts, Zoom will be connected to your Slack workspace, and you'll be ready to start using Zoom commands directly from Slack.